how are you today? Welcome back to Soma's Makeup Diary.
This is a face
which already has bits and pieces of makeup application on it, and now I'm going to take it from here and create something very colorful and very beautiful. Yes, today going to mix and match my Viseart palettes. Now this one is very friendly with all of you and with my channel as well, because I have created I don't know how many looks with this one. I mean, so many looks with Editorial brides, and this one is a new member of Soma's makeup collection. So let's mix and match and create something beautiful. Before I go ahead with my eyeshadow application, let me finish my concealer work. Actually started my day with NARS Dragon Girl, a very popular and beautiful shade from NARS Velvet Lip Pencil. Yes, matte one. Okay, going on top of my It Cosmetics CC cream, and before that I applied my face primer after moisturizing my skin. So that's it. So little bit concealer work. Sometimes I don't even wear my concealer. I just go with my CC cream, and that was the look I was wearing early in the morning, and now I am transforming it. By the way, I have a video on that, how to transform a look from your day to night, or morning to evening, or from a very simple look to a very dramatic, gorgeous party look. Yeah. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the base. And now a little bit of powder, and oh, I did not apply my eyebrow gel yet, so I will do that. Laura Mercier loose setting powder on my under eye areas. A nice smooth finish, and I will let it sit there. This is my Essence Make Me Brow tinted brow gel. I just like to go over my eyeshadow so that I can get a nice volume there. I love this eyebrow gel. Let me dust it off. Going to apply this gorgeous shade of lipstick, an orangey red. Pretty gorgeous shade. This is my Pure Color Envy. I hope you can see that. Envious. Yes, 340. Love the color. Love the feel. Actually, the packaging is gorgeous too, isn't it? If any, pretty helpful. Today I just want to wear my highlight. One of the favorites, my Essence highlight. Be my highlight. I just love this beautiful glow on my cheeks. I enjoy a good highlight. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, it doesn't put on glow, but it is looking beautiful. If you want to give it a try, please do so, because this highlight is super cool and the color is gorgeous, very natural, and it's very hard to go overboard with this color. This is a very beautiful, nice glow. Look at that. Love it. So a very natural finish, to be very precise. Okay, a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. Okay, I can use some highlight there. Looks good, feels good. Getting started with my eyeshadow. Yeah, in a minute. Just a little something. Started enjoying this makeup setting spray from Urban Decay All Nighter. Wow, misty. The lip color is looking gorgeous, the base is looking gorgeous, and now my friends, coming back to my palettes. Alright, as I was saying yesterday, I posted a video yesterday. Please watch the video and subscribe to Soma's Makeup Diary if you haven't already, because many more creative and colorful looks are coming, yes, up on my channel. And starting with my awesome, colorful Editorial Brights. Yes, I love this palette. This palette is not going anywhere from my makeup collection. This is the shade I'm going to start with. Always wanted to create something with orange and navy blue, and now that I have both the colors in my collection, I can't wait anymore. Color work on my lid, that's my canvas, and I just love my artwork here, and I'm glad that you are here to support my channel. Pretty orange going on the other eye. Fun colors, bright colors, bold colors. That is something, comes to me naturally. So if you have colorful palettes, share that with me. Yes, I may want to give it a try. Which one is the most colorful palette in your makeup collection? And who wants to wear this orange and navy look? I'm sure you will like it. Give it a try. I haven't even started with my navy yet, but this orange is super gorgeous and I love this shade. I say it all the time when I use my Editorial Brights. Okay, this just makes me feel bright and colorful. Let me start with my navy here, because this is a combination I really wanted to create. Look at that, my friends. I just knew it. This would look gorgeous. Give it a try. Just give it a try and see for yourself. This is a cheerful look. Nothing pinpointed here. This is my old faithful brush. This is a patting brush. I'm just trying to pat the blue color on the outermost corners, and then I'm going to blend it. Yes, this is my professional blending brush from e.l.f. I have a lot of e.l.f. brushes in my collection and I like to work with them. At the same time, Real Techniques one, this one is my favorite too. Blending is my key. A little bit of orange and a little bit of navy right there, coming through. Cheerful, chirpy look. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? It's just gorgeous as it is. I do not have to add any other color, but I will, because I love to add some different twist in my looks. And this is a new palette and I really want to play with the colors. I just need a chance. Yesterday I played with started with 3, then I ended up with 5 colors, and today I don't know, I am just getting started, I guess. This is my colorful makeup time and I really encourage you to play with your colors. Do you go for subtle looks? Do you go for bright pop of colors? Okay, so this is it for now, and thinking of using my gold as well, but look at that, I'm just mesmerized with the look. Okay, thinking of using my gold shade, and I am very keen to work with this one as well. I really want to see how this actually pairs up with my orange and also with my red. So let me try it. This is a beautiful shade as well. So let's see. I'm just taking just a tiny bit of it and I want to actually see how it works on my orange, because this orange punch, I mean, do you see the brightness on my lid? The warmth on my lids? Just gorgeous. It has a beautiful hint of red and also very unique shade. A little bit of dusting, my friends, just a bit of dusting. Feeling awesome. Okay, want to work with this gold. This is just amazing. Awesome gold. Look at that reflection. Coming back to my small smudge brush. A nice pinpointed application. This gold is so beautiful. Today I'm just sticking with this gold on my lower lash line. Taking my time with the gold. Kind of enjoying this warm look in this season. Did you watch my summer and winter look? I just love that look as well. With the yellow and black and yellow shimmers. A little bit of more. I'm really having fun with this palette, my friends. This gold is pretty awesome. Going back to my orange because I want to blend it on my transition area. So this warm look and my warm feelings for all of you. Okay, do try this look. And one last step with the navy. If you feel that after blending the color is a little bit diffused there, you can always build it up if you feel like. And that's exactly something I'm doing here. Making my outer corner arrow here. Enjoy your creativity and share your makeup time with Soma's Makeup Diary. Now taking my bare brush and just giving it a very nice, just a bit of blending, overlapping. Let's get started with the liner work. Today, I'm thinking of going for a long wing liner. After you apply a nice black liner, the whole look changes, right? I just love a nice matte black liner and I'm pretty happy with this one from NYX. Carefully and gently. Okay. Clinique High Impact. This orange and blue kind of look is really very warm, but at the same time it's very relaxing. I just love the look. Alright my friends, are you happy with the look? I'm super happy with the look. As you can see, yeah, but I still want to connect my wing liner with the blue one. Yes, because I think the look is demanding for that. And I'm going to give this beautiful navy shadow another chance because this is really pretty, overlapping with that gold. Nice touch. Wow, I wanted to create this look for a long time and today I did that, so I'm super happy. This navy, yeah, this is just beautiful. I'm thinking of doing a little bit extra work with this navy. Fine line brush from Real Techniques. Taking that brush and going over my liner. That way, I'm filling in the gaps at the same time adding some navy touch on the upper lash line as well. Usually I do that with my black shadow from Golden Hour palette, but this is also awesome. Just intense. And overlapping this a little with the gold, keeping it thick on the outer corner, and then I'm blending and overlapping that navy shade with the gold. Just beautiful. Love this part. Which one? This one. Playing with the colors and doing different things, using the colors in different ways to create a beautiful, stunning look. That's very amazing. Don't you feel excited playing with the colors? It takes me back to my childhood days when I used to do my artwork with sketch pens, and the colorful experiments with the color palettes now. I still love to do my artwork. Sometimes with the sketch pens, sometimes with the pencil, and sometimes with the watercolors. Very nice and beautiful look. I'm very happy with this look, and I'm going to rock this look for the rest of the day. I insist you to play with these combinations today. I'm feeling awesome, friends, and this is super fun. I'm glad that I invested in my Viseart Libertine palette, and that navy shade, wow, just wow. Many more looks to come, you know, on Soma's Makeup Diary with this palette. The weather is getting colder, but I am getting warmer with my eye shades. Yes, and yeah, see you soon tomorrow, same place on Soma's Makeup Diary. Come back to my channel soon. Keep playing with the colors and rock the look. Have a great day. See you soon.